That one back there is really low.
375 knock, now I'm pushing. Falcon, you're the leader. We need your leadership.
Fill or no fill?
Phil, we gotta carry the random.
Carry the random.
Moving.
Knock. The other, I'm
Oh,
pushing
that
up.
guy's so fucking low. What a little bitch, bro.
One other is knocked.
Got him. What a little bitch. Come on, little bitch.
They're on the basketball court, right?
They're right there. There's the guy there.
How the fuck did he get me with a pistol, bro?
What? Where'd you guys get shot from?
Where's the other guy?
Down at the bottom.
Footsteps?
Yeah.
Hey, watch out, watch out. Oh, they're building up. They're building up.
Knocked him.
Good shit.
Killed him. Looking for his minis that he doesn't have. Anybody got minis? We're all out.
No, we're all out.
I think we're all out, bro.
This isn't funny, guys. Who's got the minis? It's in the metal box, right? Good fight, kid. Good fight. Oh, I see him. It's Spider-Man. Can't see him. Just one? Oh, I hear more shooting. See a lot of loot over there. Oh, down here. Broke a shield. White. White. Dead. Oh, man. I had a sniper. I wish I wouldn't have shot so early. We gotta spray him down, though. Rocket coming in. Double rockets coming in. Watch out.
Hit one for 23.
Ooh, this dude's launching.
Oh, I fucking cracked one. Let's go.
Watch out, there's one split over here.
Oh my god, I cracked it. Oh, okay, I'm getting right.
Hold on, no, don't rush it. Yeah, we gotta make sure we get a couple of them down. Man, this dude's just spraying them rockets, huh? Reloading.
Do you have AR ammo?
Yeah. Split.
Oh fuck yeah.
That one back there is really low.
375 knock, now I'm pushing.
Fuck yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go.
It was the back guy. Oh, rocket coming in. Ooh, still one rocket launcher up, unfortunately. Oh. Outside. Oh, back of the hill, back of the hill. 60. White, dead. Oh. I'm gonna die. We gotta try to stay alive.
Oh, right here, bro. Oh shit. I think he's the only
med
guy
kit.
left. Oh.
Just stay alive.
Fuck yeah.
Nice.
Ooh, fuck. Fuck yeah.
Coming, I'm coming.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Hurry up and revive me, bro. Yes.
We got it, we got it.
Holy moly.
4
bro.
people left though, shit. We're gonna have to like
Oh
heal
shit.
up and go.
Yeah, we gotta med
shit,
it up.
yeah.
Oh, they're shooting at us. They're shooting at us. Oh my fucking god.
Try to get him up. Oh shit.
Hey, be careful. These guys are hungry.
I hit one for 150.
450, alright.
He's on the hilltop though. He's their sniper out there. One dude above me. Yeah, just try to heal up. I'm not trying to fight him. I'm just trying to scare him away.
If you come to me, I got minis for you, bro.
Oh, good call. I got minis too. I'm putting them on.
Alright, bet.
Oh shit. He knows where I'm at.
Oh, he's right here. Angel. Right behind you.
What?
I was hella cool. How the fuck did you get me all down?
Hold still. I knocked one while I was out there, so hopefully they're getting him, I'm getting you. Just see what happens. Now it's definitely 2v4 though. Oh no! I got the pump guy down.
Pop the minis, Martinez.
I got one down. There's one more left.
He's right here,
Right there.
Got him.
Nah.
Oh my god, they made us work for that one.
Whoa.
Oh my god, I gotta take a seat after that one. My hands are so sweaty. They made us work for that one, Falcon. I got 7 kills.
How many kills did I have? I had 6.
That was a good game.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit.